Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Virtual Skills and I am Latifulbari with you. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up VirtualBox correctly on your Windows PC. And in this process, I will also show you to install Windows 10 operating system on your VirtualBox. Before I start the actual part, I would love to give you a brief about what is VirtualBox. In simple words, VirtualBox is a free and open source software developed by Oracle Corporation, which allow users to run multiple operating systems in a single machine. And you can freely switch between OS as per your demand simultaneously. The operating system where VirtualBox runs is called the host OS, and the operating system running in the VirtualBox is called the guest OS. Well, let's begin the actual work. Open a browser, search for VirtualBox, and here is the official site virtualbox.org. Open it. You can see the latest version is 6.1. Now click on download here. As you can see, there is different platform packages available as per your OS, and I would love to go with the Windows host. You can see it is a 103 MB file being downloaded. After finishing the download process, just click on it. Now click to run it. Here click on next. From here you can change your software installation location, but I would love to keep it as default. Click next. Keep it default and click next. It's really very simple setup. Yes and install. But don't skip this part. After the installation, I'll show you the correct way to run Windows 10 operating system on your VirtualBox. This installation process can take some time, but maybe you need to allow some additional software to install this correctly so that your VirtualBox can work smoothly. As I said before, maybe you need to allow some additional installation in this process for smooth functioning. As you can see here, the VirtualBox icon has been already created. Now it is asking you to allow installing Oracle Network Adapter. Well, finally it's completed. Now click on Finish. This is our interface of VirtualBox machine. It's pretty simple and user-friendly. Now click on New. Here you need to give a name to our new OS. Now if you just type a letter related to any operating system, then the type and version also will be changed, like this. But in the version section, if you don't see the 64 bits, then don't worry, there is no error in your installation process. You just need to enable the virtualization VTX from your BIOS, and then you will also get the 64-bit like here. Now I am going to set up the Windows 10 64 bits in this virtual machine. Now click next. Here you should keep your RAM size at least 2 GB. I mean 2048 MB. Now keep it as default. We will create a new virtual disk here. Here keep it VDI, the VirtualBox disk image. In this section, if you select the fixed size, then it will permanently take this space from your hard disk for this guest operating system. But you should keep it dynamic. That means it will take spaces when it's needed. It's not permanent. Now click on Next. Here it's recommended that you should give this virtual hard disk at least 50 GB. Now click on Create. Well, it's created successfully. Now click on Start. Here select the host drive. Keep it as default and click on Start. As you can see the error, no bootable medium is found because we didn't select any ISO file. I mean, we didn't select any bootable disk image file yet. Now click on Devices, select Optical Drives and click on Choose a disk image or Create a disk image. Now click on Add and select your ISO file from your hard drive. Now click on Choose. In this step, click on Machine here and click Reset. Well, here you can see our new Windows setup has been initiated. Now you need to set up your Windows as usual. Well, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and please comment below if you want to see more advanced video on VirtualBox. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and just stay tuned.